Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in medical services with HCA Healthcare step by step clearly. Begin by researching HCA Healthcare to understand its business model and market position. Visit HCA Healthcare's official website for the latest information and financial reports. Review HCA's recent earnings releases to gauge their performance and future outlook. Analyze market trends in the healthcare industry to identify growth opportunities. Consider the types of services HCA offers, such as acute care hospitals and outpatient services. Evaluate HCA's stock performance by checking its ticker symbol on financial news websites. Determine your investment budget based on your financial situation and risk tolerance. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one, ensuring it supports the purchase of HCA stock. Perform a technical analysis of HCA's stock using tools available on your brokerage platform. Decide whether to invest in HCA stocks directly or through an exchange-traded fund, ETF, that includes healthcare stocks. Monitor market conditions and news related to HCA and the healthcare sector regularly. Set a target price for buying and selling, based on your analysis and market conditions. Consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in other healthcare companies or sectors. Review and adjust your investment strategy as needed, based on performance and changing market dynamics. Stay informed about regulatory changes affecting healthcare services, as these can impact HCA's business. Finally, track your investments periodically to ensure they align with your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.